Hey everybody, welcome to week 23 science. So our science experiment for this week is to build a egg protector, a crate of some sort that's going to help us to drop an egg from a high distance and hopefully it won't break. So in order to do this, we need some popsicle sticks. We use the smaller size popsicle sticks and they're great. They work just fine. You can use rubber bands. They come in, in a multi-pack, multi-sizes from the dollar store. And then we have napkins. Now, napkins you can use either flat like a sheet or you can crumple it up like as a bubble wrap in your Amazon packages, all crumpled up. You get 12 napkins. You get 50 sticks, which we definitely didn't need anywhere near 50, I guess, unless you want to build a really intense egg crate. And then you can use as many rubber bands as you need. Now, we have a couple things to show you. Whenever you are trying to latch them together, some people may not be used to this, so we're going to show you the easier way. When you have two that you're just putting together, wrap it over and twist it, and keep wrapping it over and twisting.
And you can do it like this way too, to keep it.
So we're keeping it like this in order to just make a nice little secure corner, right? Now what if we have to put one not on the corner? Seth, can you help me? If we have to put one in the middle, then we'll have to do something else. I'm trying to stabilize this computer. We'll have to do something else. So we'll put it over. Move your hand. There you go. Twist it first, Seth. And then bring it through here, Seth. I don't know if you can see, but he's pulling the rubber band. Can you use your other hand? Through the bottom. And that way we didn't need to go on a corner necessarily, and it's still holding it. And you can do it multiple times so it's much tighter, but it's still gonna hold it in the middle of the stick. I couldn't figure that out. My husband had to tell me because I'm not an engineer. Anyway, when you start to make your contraption, if you have an Easter egg or something like that, you can put in there to see if it'll fit, then use that. We just boiled an egg because we don't have any plastic Easter eggs. So we just boiled an egg because we wanted to try it and double check to make sure that it would fit without breaking all over the house. So these are the different contraptions that we made. Billy, bring me yours.
Green bean.
Billy's is called the green bean. So he made a cute little thing right here. The egg will definitely fit. Now it may fall out, maybe. It could fall out, but he couldn't put it together completely because we have to stick the egg in there. So he's gonna finish it up after we put the real egg in here and right before we test it. So this is his contraption.
Green bean.
He just has two supports on the bottom and then these triangles on either side to help support it. And I'm sure he'll put
legs.
And he has legs. Let's talk about legs. Legs are nice because whenever you're dropping your egg, the impact is going to happen on the bottom, right? So if it goes straight on the bottom, it could crack your egg, maybe, I don't know. But if the legs are there, when it lands right on the ground, the legs will catch most of the force from the fall and hopefully prevent the egg from cracking.
And it can like kind of bend it to where it just goes like
maybe it'll absorb some of the force?
Yeah.
Okay, Seth, show me yours. Seth made his.
LeBron James. No, just kidding.
Seth made his.
It's really tall.
Massive, amazing. He decided to stack it in a square.
Robert Wadlow.
He has this business on the bottom to make sure that it doesn't fall out. And then he has some legs on it. So his will end up falling like this. He's got the protection so it doesn't fall out. And like Billy's, he has to put the top cover on, but he can't yet because we're not actually testing. And then, of course, just to double check that the egg would fit. The egg will fit in there just fine. And he can always shove up to 12 napkins in there to help protect the fall. All right, Calla, bring us the one that we made. We did something similar to Seth's. Calla, bring it to me. Calla, bring it to me. Okay, so Calla, come back here behind me. So here's what Calla and I made. We decided to do a triangular shape. We also put something on the bottom to keep it there. And then we just made 3 more triangles and attached them to each side. So it could also have legs. So it could fall like this and hopefully absorb most of the shock. And in the same way, we're gonna have to put a little popsicle stick over the top and it will fit just fine. We actually have another thing right here that we're gonna be putting on the top and connecting to the other guys to help keep it. And then of course, shoving all of our napkins in there. Billy, grab me that one. Grab me that one. And then this is the one that Mark made. It's a very minimalist type. And So he's gonna put it in here, and we still have to put the last remaining popsicle stick like everyone else's. So we're gonna see if this one, it's not really built for, like ours, like a heavy duty construction, but because it has longer legs, maybe it will absorb all of the force. We'll see. So we're gonna test them now, and we'll show you the results.